Are you someone who is stuck in a job that you are not even enjoying? Are you finding it difficult to balance work and life? Do you want to work towards holistic well-being of yourself and others, which can also give you a viable alternative career path, but you're unable to take off for a month to do an outstation yoga teacher's training? Utsav Yoga presents Yogaadhar, a foundational 200-hour weekend-only yoga teacher training program for working professionals in the NCR area. An intensive weekend-only schedule for 3 months, bringing the world of yoga to you with trusted faculty having decades of experience. Learn authentic multi-style yoga conveniently without the need of outstation travel. 100% practical and interactive classes. International certification, which can enable you to teach around the globe. To know more about how it would work for you, get one-on-one consultation now. Get in touch with Utsav Yoga today. Call on the given number or visit our website. Utsav Yoga.